you make this?
Never kill my vibe. Okay, we don't stop me vibing. Everything won't take it. You have to make it. Vibe killer. Me, I don't go take it. Vibe killer.
Okay, so I gotta move this bit. Okay, so what I'm about to do is reinstall my wig. So I need to wash the wig. I got the Dawn dish soap yesterday because I didn't have the one that I wanted to use, but I got it yesterday, and I got some shampoo for my natural hair because it's a mess under here. Honey, it's a mess. So I still gotta braid down my hair. I use Dawn. Ooh, I feel like I'm a little close. I use Dawn Gentle Clean 50% less scrubbing dish soap to wash my wigs, and I use the pink one. And then for my natural hair, I use the Cream of Nature Argan Oil shampoo and conditioner combo for my natural hair. I don't know if this is going to be the intro to my video or what. This is what I'm starting the video out. It's like 1:57, and it's kind of like my reset day. I'm supposed to do all this shit yesterday. We just going to keep it peak. I'm about to do it today. So, yeah. So, I'm going to do my hair, and I have to do my nails. Okay. Let me rewind. I have to do my hair, I have to do my nails, and I really need to kind of plan out my week and see what it looks like and what all I need to do. Yeah, we just gonna start today.
Booty going up, down. I ain't got no problem spending all of my money. Tryna see what's up now. I can do this all day like it ain't nothing. Black car, party in the backyard. Shawty got the black bra showing. Tight it up, ass fat enough. She a bad bitch and she already know it. Yes, she know it. Yes, she know it. Yeah, she know it. She a bad bitch and she already know it. Yes, she know it. Yes, she know it. Yeah, she know it. Yes, she know it. She gon' make me spend some money on it. Yes, she know it. Whole bank account, I blow it. Go do a show in, bring some more in. Pockets bigger than a Samoan. I'm in the stage every time, shout it go in. Shout it go in. Shout it go in. Booty hit the float in. Slow motion. I'm so gone on patrol. I don't know how I'm getting home. They don't like.
What?
I don't need a like to get it poppin', but these bitches in my business come me out to choosing violence. If you see me out in public, you don't know me, keep it silent. In the bedroom, I be screaming, but outside I keep it quiet. You know, honestly, I'm the lowest of the lowest. Crazy, you can keep it like nobody knows it. Oh, stay out the way. I need you to get the fuck out my space. The basement's on the way, please don't pay. Pussy's spinning like a great escape. I need no trick, gold eyes don't change. I'm fucking, I ain't making love no more. Got a new bitch with the fucking pride.
Ooh, I make me a coffee, and then I have a little work for me to work on. I'm working on Creator's Guide, and I also have a project that I need to actually close out and just like get the logos and stuff put into their folders. I'll probably take a little mini rest break, and then I'll be back to rinse out my hair. So I'm about to make a TikTok of me making my coffee, so I will come right back and then I'll show you what the coffee looks like. At first I was scared. I don't know if I'm gonna blow dry my wig. I might, or I might just dry the lace so that I can install it. I don't know. Love you. Good night. That's how you smell. Like this.
I feel it.
rinsed my hair out, and I didn't blow dry it. I ended up letting it air dry. So this is what we have. I'm about to take a shower right now and just go ahead and get ready for bed. And then I'm gonna braid my hair down. I don't know if I'm gonna put my nails on first. No, I'm gonna put my nails on after I braid my hair down. So I'm gonna take a shower, braid my hair down, do my nails so that I can get it over with, and then the wig is still wet. The wig is very much so still wet, and I'm letting it air dry as well. So I can still install it. I can just dry the front, which the lace part, the front of the wig is already dry. I can really install it, and I can just let it air dry on my head, or I can install it in the morning. So yeah, I have been working on my brand's relaunch, and right now I'm at the stage of getting my Instagram page together. So my portfolio is not where it should be as a designer. As a brand designer, my portfolio is not where it should be. That's been a lot of what I've been doing in the background. That's been a lot of the reasons I haven't been posting, and a lot of my content is like back the fuck up because I'm so busy trying to create designs and do different projects so that I can fill my portfolio. So I'm like taking on a couple of free clients, and then I have my paid projects. It's just a lot. So I'm also working on my creator's guide to help creators show up like they're getting paid already if they want to become an influencer or a graphic designer or anything, a content creator or anything like that. But I'm going to be posting a lot more. I've literally been editing just until I get back into reality, and I am in reality. If you're watching this video right now, I'm back in reality. So I plan on recording a lot more because I have to record for my business page as well. And if you don't follow me on Instagram, make sure you're following my Keidenshai Archive Instagram page as well as my business page, Hey K Studio, in case you want to watch any of my business content, like getting ready with me when I go work at cafes or walking through different projects that I'm working on as well.
I can tell that you want me. What's been on your mind? There's no reason we should hide. Tell me something I ain't heard before. I've been dreaming about it. And it's you I'm on. So stop thinking about it. Can we just talk? Can we just talk about where we're going before we get lost? Never felt like this before. I apologize if I'm moving too far. Can we just talk? Can we just talk? Summer's too hot, not to fuck it up. It's a mood right. Is it what it is? I gotta do right. It's a living up. Let me hit it up just a few times. Summer's too hot, cut the it up. Shot it too far with the bubble butt. We should both slide on the regular. Summer's too hot, it's irregular. Shorty, she discreet, she don't want her business in the street. Be my little secret, baby, be my little freak. All weekend on a weekend, do something different. Got my attention. 8 figures, fucking with a rich nigga. Big picture, more than just a night with ya. Don't switch up, girl, when the lights hit ya. Them diamonds gon' dance. I know you don't really